going on, family? Whew. How y'all doing? You see, I can't even get it right. How y'all doing this evening? This afternoon, this evening? Because it's what is it? 4:45? My time? I'm doing great. I love my chili. This chili and cheese, I put some Velveeta cheese in my chili when I made it. Cut out my onions and made my ground beef and my chili beans and my chili peppers and my tomatoes, my diced tomatoes. I hooked it up. I wish I could share with you. I wish I could share a two. I wish I can share with you. But I'm sharing me too. Y'all know I'm crazy and silly. Y'all know I got to put on an act. But I'm finna get it in. Look at this. It's soft because this chili was hot. Look at that. Ooh. I tell y'all, this is really fine. Look, y'all want some? Man, wish I can send y'all some. I mean, they tore this up. I can't even get it all out. Look at that. Look at my thumbnail. I hope it get it. That Velveeta cheese, I put 4 slices in my chili. And y'all know I got to use my Kobe Jack cheese because I love my Kobe Jack cheese. This stuff is fine. Boy, what y'all think about that John? Who is it? John Gray? He a pastor. Cheating on his wife. And his wife found out. Don't quote me. It's hearsay. My mother was trying to tell me about it. He ended up buying a $200,000 Lamborghini trying to make up. What you gonna cheat for? What's wrong with you? You a man of God. Get it together. Get it together. I don't understand why in the hell you was in the light. In the light. Meaning in the media. Everywhere. And the devil's already after you. Why pile on more stuff on top of you? I guess. Drinking me a little bit of cola today. Oh, Lord. Boy, I tell you, this is something good. Something right and tight. Let's get it right. Right and tight. Let's get it right. Y'all see, I am in good spirits today. I try to stay like this no matter what. You know, I might get down every now and then. But for most of all, when I think about how God had blessed me, I get happy. And there's nothing like being happy. Y'all, excuse me. This is my baby. I'm sorry. This is rude. Yes, hottie toddy. Mm. Yes, yes you do. I'm sorry, baby. Y'all, this is my oldest daughter I'm talking to on the phone. I had to take this call. I'm doing my video. About 10 minutes. Stop worrying. And she worrying and she stressing. Y'all tell her now below, don't worry, don't stress. God got you. Everything is going to be okay. They give you time. Well, give me about 10 minutes and I should be through. And I will call you. Okay? That's my baby stressing and worrying about things that she had no control over. God got her. God works out everything. He does. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. That's why I try to stress to my kids. Don't worry about things that you have no control over. If you trust and believe in God, God got it. He always coming in. He be right on time for me. And he be right on time for them. And my oldest daughter, that's my oldest daughter, she's a blessed child. And she's always highly favored. Always. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm one of them mamas. Well, my job is never done. No matter what. My kids know they can call on me for anything. And I'm going to be there for them. And that's my brother. Everybody love me today. Hello, what up?
What's up? What's happening?
Nothing, you on YouTube.
How?
Your voice is.
All right, now what's up, YouTube?
Tell me, y'all see this is my other half twin. Everybody say.
Hey, I said that before. Don't say that.
Yeah.
Don't say that.
Tell him to shut up, y'all, next time. You know the comments below, they was commenting on that.
I know. I remember that. Yeah, with the twins, no. Okay, well, handle your business. Call me back when you finish.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, that's my brother. Me and him, like I said, we talk every day. That's the sibling that we talk about everything. Every day. My other two brothers, they kind of be off into their own world. But he used to take the fall for me. When we little. One time I was doing Footloose, and I kicked a hole in the wall. And my parents came home in my bedroom. I said, please, because back then, we got our ass tore up. We got what was switches, goddamn extension cords, belts. We got whooped. Today, coming from goddamn child abuse, that wasn't happening back then. And you had to go to school like that. And do y'all remember, shit, back then the neighbors could whoop you. If you did something wrong, and bring you home, and your parents weren't cussing them out either. They was tearing your ass up after you done got a whooping from the neighbor. That's when families had structure in the household. And we couldn't take our plates and go and sit in the bedroom or go somewhere else. We had to sit at that goddamn table. And we was not allowed in the living room. Only when they had company. We'll get a whooping. if we came in there with a dog. And that's what these kids. And they figure you can't tell them nothing. Because it's system. And it's bad because the system will kill them. But they don't want us parents tying their asses up and getting them straight. They go light bright just got through eating.
Wah, 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 wah.
Coming over here messing with somebody.
Wah, 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 wah.
She don't be in the videos like she's supposed to. Now you know these beans.
They'll be gassy. I ain't gassy right now. I'm full though. Ma, you gave me a lot.
Didn't I? That was 5 too, wasn't it? This is 5. I'm tying it up too. Ha ha! Woo, Lord. Y'all see I'm scraping. I ain't give myself enough chips. Enough chips. Y'all should try this. I'm telling y'all. If y'all haven't. Woo, Lord. Look at that. God damn.
Burp dead in her ill.
You know Light Bright gotta do some special stuff. And she got on a tank top. Y'all see her tank top, so they won't be thinking she naked. And they won't be doing no age restriction on my video.
Yep. I'm not naked. I have on clothes.
Boy, I tell you.
Man, it's that good. You licking a plate. I couldn't even do all that. I'm too full.
That gave you the extra flavor.
She packed my plate, y'all.
I sure did. If y'all remember, y'all go back and look at our other video with the nachos. You didn't make my nachos like you made yours. I said, yes, I did. No, you didn't. Yours taste good. I packed that shit on there.
I'm full.
You play with that.
I am full. I don't even know if I even want to go to the movie.
What you going to see?
Escape Room. I heard it was a scary movie.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm sitting here stuck. Because I got nachos all down in the bottom of my gums. You know they be in between your gums, in between your teeth, rather. And down at the bottom. I'm telling you, this was good. I could eat again for my... You know what? I got something for her, but tonight. Tonight! Let her go to sleep. Please believe.
My door will be locked, so I don't know how you gonna get in there.
I have my ways.
So I got my ways.
I'm gonna take that goddamn lock off her door. You can believe that. Tired of her. Lena, open up the door. Open up the door. What you want, Mama?
Put it on there. Yeah, my door. Oh, I got a old door.
You can't get in that motherfucker. And shit, once she shut it all the way through the knob, she can't get out. But y'all, I love y'all. Love, love, love.
I love y'all.
Love, love, love.
I'm fat. I can't breathe right now.
Hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Hope y'all enjoy it.
Give a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what it is, what it do, what it do, what it do. And do. And hit that notification bell to join us. And we'll be seeing y'all later. Later. Alligator. At the wild. Crocodile. Love y'all.